Alright, this is the elevator at Von Maur, Eden Prairie Mall, Eden Prairie, Minnesota. It's a Schindler MT. It's a really nice cat view. Here are the MT fixtures. Go to and here we are. We're gonna go back down. And you know, door close button does not work because this is a Schindler. Oh, and I can't forget the AD compliant phone. And there it goes. And that's it for the elevator. It also has a Simplex fire alarm system right in this area. Forgot to mention that. Alright, that's it.